Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. One of the Bitcoin's time travelers prophecies is about to come through, as in the future, Bitcoin's limited supply cap will be so scarce and hard to get that the average person will only need 0.01 BTC to become a millionaire. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. So 10 years from now, Bitcoin's finite supply will be extremely exhausted. So while purchasing 0.01 BTC might only cost you $500 today, according to the Credit Suisse Global Wealth Report of 2020, there are only 51.9 million millionaires in the entire globe. This study index was considering a person's net worth alongside with their financial and real estate assets, while deducting at the same time their debts and liabilities. So despite representing just 1% of the global population, this is excluding children, millionaires currently own 43% of the entire world's wealth. According to the Credit Suisse Individual Wealth Breakdown, 175,700 people right now in the world are worth more than $50 million. Out of these people, 55,800 have a net worth of $100 million and more. And out of these people also, an additional 4,410 have a wealth of $500 million and above. And Bitcoin's finite supply will reach 98% in the next 10 years. So as of March 1st of 2021, Bitcoin's total supply is 18.64 million BTC, leaving 2.37 million coins being mined. So in 10 years, this supply will reach 20.6 million BTC, which will be 98% of the 21 million coin from the total supply. When you remove the 1.9 million coins that haven't been touched over a decade from the supply cap, and these include Satoshi's 1 million coin that he mined and haven't moved since, the maximum supply limit of Bitcoin is only 19.2 million BTC. This leaves only 0.37 BTC per single millionaire in the world, and this amount is including the yet to be mined coins that haven't even touched the market yet. So assuming Bitcoin's supply will be evenly shared between these millionaires, if every Bitcoin that has ever remained unmoved for the past 5 years or more is assumed to be lost, then a maximum supply of 14.5 million BTC will be available for accumulation. In that scenario, each of the world's millionaires, instead of owning 0.37, will now only be able to own 0.28 BTC each. In addition to the certified millionaires, there are 590 million individuals whose net worth exceeds $100,000 or more. These people shouldn't be disregarded as potential holders, even though their purchasing power is much less. So millionaires only represent 6.32 million coins out of Bitcoin's remaining supply, suggesting that each individual would have the opportunity to purchase just 0.12 BTC each. The remaining 590 million individuals who are currently worth $100,000 or more each could effectively hold the extra 5.9 million coins, resulting in a mere 0.01 BTC per single adult, fulfilling the Bitcoin time traveler's prophecy. His story might have been fictitious, but some of his mentions have come true. For example, he predicted that BTC would hit $10,000 in 2017, and it did. In conclusion, therefore, buying 0.01 BTC, which is roughly around $500, could save your life in the future and assure you to be on the top 13% of Bitcoin holders 10 years from now. So when comparing the relative wealth concentration of the fiat and Bitcoin markets, being amongst the top 13% shares the same exclusivity as being a fiat millionaire, as this bull market is only the beginning of that, because a wave of institutional clients and investors are joining the market every single day. For example, Goldman Sachs is diving into Bitcoin and crypto markets, according to one of their senior executives, Matthew McDermott, the head of digital assets at Goldman Sachs, has stated huge institutional demand for Bitcoin and crypto markets is on the rise right now. He reveals that institutional interest in digital assets at the Wall Street firm is accelerating every single day amongst a wide array of large institutional investors, by stating that we have seen no signs of that stopping. And when we talk about institutional demand, we talk about the whole cross-section of the industry sector. I am referring to hedge funds, asset managers, to macro funds, banks, corporate treasuries, insurance and pension funds. And I think it's pretty fair to say that all of that institutional client discussion is really focused around Bitcoin for now. 40% of these clients currently have exposure to cryptocurrencies already, and that could be through a variety of different mediums, through physical, derivatives, security products and other offerings in the market. And so that seemed actually a little high to me, but I felt that was kind of reflective of the demand we have seen over the past 3 to 6 months. And amongst these investors, 61% are expecting their digital asset holdings to increase within the next year. What are your thoughts on the current institutional demand in BTC and the fact that you only need 0.01 BTC in the future to become a millionaire? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.